Hey guys, today I will show you how to make table of contents in Google Docs in your Android phone. So first of all, open your Android phone and click on Google Docs. Then create any document or add any paragraph in your Google Docs app. Then just click on the headings, select it and click on this option. Then make it heading 1 or heading 2, whatever size you want to give. Then adjust it according to your page. Then scroll down and again highlight this heading. It is already heading 1, so I will just adjust it according to the page size. Decorate it. Then again highlight this heading, click on heading 1 or heading 2, then give it size, then make it bold. Make sure you have done it for all the headings. Scroll down and here is our last heading. So I will again make it heading 1, then give it a size and then finally bold it. And now here comes your final stage where the main process I will show you. Just click here, click the plus icon, then go here and click on page break. After that, your cursor is here and now again click on the plus button, click on the link option, then click on the headings. First, click on essential English novels everyone should read. Whatever your headings are given according to your paragraph, select it one by one. Again, click on link, then click on the second option. I am adding according to my paragraph one by one given in the list. Then number 2, again click on plus button, click on link, click on headings, select number 3, again plus icon, click on link, click on headings and the final option. Here you can create the table of content in your Google Docs by applying this process I have shown you in this video. So I hope you understood this video. I hope all your doubts have cleared and thank you again for watching our video.